Good morning, students. Welcome you all to the mathematics online class. In this special video, I am going to explain some basic concepts of this chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. As you all know that how to multiply monomial with a polynomial means monomial with a monomial. Okay, so here we have a question of exercise 9.2. It is obtain the product of x y y z z x means all the three are monomials. You have to product them, you have to multiply them. Okay, see how to multiply them. Xy, you write down xy into yz into zx. Okay, first of all you can see here x and x means 2 times x means x into x means x square. Actually x is power 1, it is x is power 1, it is x is power 1, base are same powers added, 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why I have written here 2. Similarly y into y, that is y square, z into z, that is z square. Okay, now let's move to part second. Here you can understand more. A into minus a square into a cube, a into minus a square into a cube. First of all, it is plus a, it is minus a, it is plus minus 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 plus minus. So write down minus here. Now rest you can see it is base are same because base is same throughout. It is a, so you write down a, only one a. Now rest it is a raised power 1. This a can be written as a raised power 1. When there is no power, it is understood it is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, because base are same, powers are added, so you have to add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So 8 is power 6 with minus. Rest parts are homework, you please try to do them. Now next topic is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. But see, everywhere I am saying multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, but actually these are the parts, like multiplying a monomial by a binomial. In this you have seen how to multiply monomial with monomials, no matter how many monomials are there. But here we are going to explain you how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. See, binomial means polynomial containing two terms, an algebraic expression containing two terms. It's a binomial and it's a monomial because it's a multiplication, it is considered only one term. So it's a monomial and this is a binomial. Now how to multiply them? See, what is the procedure? See what I have written. First of all, you multiply 5x with 3x, 5x into 3x, then whatever sign is there you write down plus. Now 5x with 4, 5x into 4 means you first multiply 5x with 3x, then 5x with 4. Okay, so term by term you can multiply, after that you can get the answer. So 5x into 3x, whatever the multiplication comes out, you write down 15x square plus 5 4 the 20 x. Now let's move to the part second. It is a square into 3ab minus 4a. It's monomial here and this is binomial. See how to multiply. Bracket means multiply. It's not necessary to write down multiplication. Whenever there is bracket, it is understood it is multiplication. So how to multiply this monomial with that binomial? First of all, you multiply a square with 3ab. So a square into 3ab. Then it is minus here, write down minus. A square into 4a, a square into 4a. Okay, and it is not necessary to write down like this. You can also write, like I can show you, you can also write or a square into 3ab plus a square into minus 4a. You can also write like this. Okay, now a square into 3ab, a square into 3ab minus a square into 4a, a square into 4a. Both the methods are easy, you can understand both the methods. It is 3 a square into a cube with b minus 4a into a square, that is 4a cube. Now let's move to the part third. It is 6xy. Why I'm taking different parts, so that you can understand. 6xy into x, 6xy into x, minus is there, minus is there, so 6xy into 12y into 12. Now means you have to multiply one by one. First you multiply 6xy with first term, then 6y with second term, and whatever the signs are there you have to write down them accordingly. Now 6 x into x square with y minus 6 12 are 72, x is there, x write down, y into y, that's y square. Okay, now let's move to the next. See, next is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Likewise, you have seen in first case it was monomial by a monomial. In second we have learned how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. Now our topic is how to multiply monomial with a trinomial. Trinomial means an algebraic expression containing three terms. Means it is actually a polynomial having three terms. See, one term, two, three terms. So it's known as trinomial, and this is a monomial. So method will remain same. So first you will multiply 3x with 4x, then 3x with 2xy, then 3x with 6. Okay, and signs, whatever signs are there, you write down them. 3x into 4x, write down 3x into 4x plus y plus, because plus is there, 3x into 2xy, 3x into 2xy, similarly plus 3x into 6. Rest it is easy to calculate, like 3 4 the 12, x into x, x square, plus 3 2 the 6, x into x, x square into y, plus 3 6 are 18x. This is how to multiply. Let's move to the exercise 9.3. It's question number 1. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions. Means we have to multiply in each of the following pairs. Just multiply 4p q plus r. 4p into q plus r means we are going to multiply monomial with a binomial. See, you know the procedure. First term you multiply with first term, then first term with second term, and so on. 4p into q, 4p into q plus 4p into r, 4p into r. Now 4p into q means pq. At a time we can write, no need to write down this simple multiplication, plus 4p into r means 4pr. AB into A minus B, it is AB into A, AB into A, minus AB into B, AB into B. So AB into A means A square B, minus A, B into B, that is B square. Rest parts are homework, please try to do them. Similarly, we have one more question here. Complete the table. Here it is a monomial and this is a trinomial. This is a trinomial, this is a monomial. Same what I explained in the above. Um, it is only that much. We are just doing that question related to the topic. A into a, b plus c plus d, that means a into b. First of all you multiply a into b, you can and you can directly write down this. No need to write down this step that I am writing, a into b plus a. Just explanation, otherwise you can skip this step. A into b, you can write ab directly. A into c, ac, plus a into d, ad. You can also write down this step. No need to write down that stuff if you want. Okay, if you got the concept, then you can write down the direct step, this one. Now trinomial into monomial. See here, first of all you multiply x with 5xy, then y into this, then minus 5 into this. Or you can write first x, first you multiply 5x with x, then 5x with y, then 5x with minus. It is your choice, nothing to worry. Okay, see, x into 5xy, x into 5xy, y into 5xy, y into 5xy, minus is there, 5 into 5xy, 5 into 5xy. Rest it is calculation. Calculation here is here 5. See, it's actually 1x, so 5 ones are 5. We multiply number with number, variables with variable. X into x, x square with y, plus 5xy into y, that's 5xy square. Y square, because y into y is y square, minus 5 5 is 25x y. Rest parts are homework. I hope you got each and everything. Thank you and have a nice day.